Children, welcome back to my channel. I'm now doing with 8th class maths, comparing quantities using proportion, and in this I'm dealing with 5.1 exercise. Earlier I have done 5 sums. Now I am doing 6th problem. For this 6th problem, you have got a right angle triangle is given to you. So let me draw that. Whether it's in this way. This is given as A, B, C. A, B, C. This is right angle. AB is 8 centimeters. BC is 6 centimeters. And AC is 10 centimeters. Now, what you need to do in the adjacent, let me read the problem. In the adjacent triangle ABC, it goes on like this. Let me read the problem. In the adjacent triangle ABC, write all possible ratios by taking measures of the sides pairwise. They have given a hint. AB is to BC is equal to 8 is to 6. You need to find out the ratios. You have to write the ratios. So what are the ratios that you will be getting here? You will be writing. So first they have given in the hint AB is to BC. AB is to BC is 8 is to 6. 8 is to 6 means what, children? It is nothing but 8 by 6. That means 2 4s are 2 3s are. You are getting 4 by 3. That means 4 is to 3. AB is to BC is 4 is to 3. So first ratio is AB is to BC is equal to 4 is to 3. This is first ratio. Now second ratio. Let us write BC is to AB. Now BC is to AB is 6 is to 8. That means 6 by 8, 2 3s are 2 4s are 3 by 4 can be written as 3 is to 4. Therefore, BC is to AB is equal to 3 is to 4. Now, let us see another proportion. The other proportion is BC is to AC. We will take these two sides. It is 6 is to 10. That means 6 by 10. 2 3s are, 2 5s are, 3 by 5. Therefore, BC is to AC is equal to 3 is to 5. Now, fourth one, AC is to BC. See, just like earlier I have done, children, AB is to BC 4 is to 3 means it is 3 is to 4, inverse. So, directly I am writing it as 5 is to 3. This is fourth one. Now, fifth, first, second, third, fourth we have done. Now, fifth one, let us take AB is to AC. That is, AB is to AC we will be taking. AB is to AC is 8 is to 10. That means 8 by 10, 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 4 by 5. That means 4 is to 5. Therefore, AB is to AC is equal to 4 is to 5. That means the sixth one, AC is to AB is equal to 5 is to 4. So this is the total solution, children, for this problem. Please note it down. Now, seventh sum. If 9 out of 24 students. It goes on like this. Let me read the problem. If 9 out of 24 students score below 75% marks in a test, find the ratio of the students scored below 75% marks to the students who scored 75% above and above marks. So, total number of students are 24. Total students are 24. So, we have to do the, what did they say? If 9 out of 24 students scored below 75% marks. So, below 75% marks secured students. How many? They have given 9. 9 out of 24 secured below 75 marks, they said. So, 75% and above marks are secured by marks secured students. I'll write marks secured students marks secured students will be equal to 6 children. Total 24 are there. In this, 9 students got below 75. So the remaining is nothing but 24 minus 9. That is, how many students got? This is nothing but 15 students got 75% and above marks. Now the question is, if 9 out of 24 students got secured below 75% and find the ratio of the students who secured 75% marks to the students secured 75 and above. So what is the required ratio? Required ratio is equal to what they said first. Find the ratio of students secured below 75. So what the way in which the question is asked, in the same way only you have to answer. Otherwise you will be writing an inverse answer. So the first question is below 75 marks to 75% and above. So below 75 marks the 9 students get, and above 75% as 75 50 students. So this is 9 by 15, 3 3s are 3 5s are 3 by 5. So 3 is to 5. So the required ratio is 3 is to 5 children. Please note it down. This is 7th sum. Now 8th sum children. 8th sum. Find the ratio of vowels in the word Mississippi to here to the number of consonants. So what is the word given to us is Mississippi. Now what are vowels children? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. But here you have got I only. But how many number? Number of vowels in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4 vowels are there. And in the English alphabets, if they are not vowels, the remaining are consonants. So number of consonants. All the other letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So what is the ratio? Ratio is 4 is to 6. That means 4 by 6. 2 2s are, 2 3s are. So it is nothing but 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 2 is to 3. This is the answer children. Please copy it. This is 8th one. Now, ninth problem. Ninth problem is like this. Rajendra and Rehana, let me read. Rajendra and Rehana own a business. Rehana receives 25% of the profit in each month. Whatever is the profit that is there, in that 25% she receives. If Rehana receives 2080 in a particular month, what is the total profit in that month? So you want total profit. So let the total profit is equal to rupees X. So how much Rehana receives? Rehana receives 25% of total profit means X. According to problem, what does the problem says? 25% of X is equal to 2080 because she has got this much amount. So that means what? 25 by 100 into half means into X is equal to 2080. So let us continue this. X is equal to 2080 into 25 by 100. Reciprocal you will be writing 100 by 25. So we know that 25 ones are 25 fours are. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 eights are 32, 4 twos are 8. Therefore, total profit is equal to rupees 8,320. This is the answer, children. This is ninth problem. Please copy it. Now, we will see 10th, 10th problem. 10th problem is in a triangle ABC, AB is equal to 2.2 centimeters, BC is equal to 1.5 centimeters, and AC is equal to 2.3 centimeters. In triangle XYZ, XY is equal to 4.4 centimeters, YZ is equal to 3 centimeters, and XZ is equal to 4.6 centimeters. Then they are asking find the ratio of AB is to XY, BC is to YZ, AC is to XZ. Are the lengths? The question continues. Let me read. The other part I will read. Are the lengths of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are in proportion? In proportion in the sense what, children? When you write ratio means we know that some number by some number, P by Q form. So in case if P by Q forms of all these ratios are same, then we will be saying that the sides are in proportion. So let us continue this. First, let us draw the triangles ABC. Let us suppose this is ABC and another triangle XYZ. What are the values they have given? AB is 2.2 centimeters. AB is 2.2 centimeters and BC is 1.5 centimeters and AC is 2.3 centimeters. And XY 4.4 centimeters, and then XY YZ. YZ is, this is YZ, 3 centimeters, and then XY, YZ, XZ is 4.6 centimeters. Now let us see the ratio. AB is to XY is equal to, AB is 2.2 is to XY is 4.4. That means 2.2 by 4.4. This will definitely cancel. 22 twos are 44. 1 by 2 you have got. AB is to XY. Next, BC is to YZ. BC is 1.5 by YZ is 3. That means how much? 1.5 is to 3. That means 1.5 by 3, keep 0, remove this point, 15 ones are, 15 twos are. This is also equal to 1 by 2. Next, AC is to XZ. What is AC? AC is 2.3 is to 4.6. That is 2.3 by 4.6. Definitely 2.23, 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So the decimals will be cancelled, 1 by 2. So you are getting its value also is equal to 1 by 2. So you see, AB is to XY is 1 by 2, BC is to 1 by YZ is 1 by 2, AC is to XZ is 1 by 2. Therefore, what you can say, AB by XY is equal to BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ. So, we will be saying that, therefore, the corresponding sides, we will call them as corresponding sides. Therefore, corresponding sides are proportional. They all are proportional. Corresponding sides means what, children? If you are taking this side of a triangle, you have to take same side of a triangle. This side means this side, this side means this side, base means base. They are called corresponding sides. So corresponding sides of the triangles are proportional. Usually when corresponding sides are proportional, the triangles will be considered as similar triangles, but that you will be learning in the next class, children. So you plus note down this. This is 10th problem. Please note down. Now, 11th one. Eleventh problem. Madhuri went to a supermarket. Madhuri went to a supermarket. It goes on like this. So, Madhuri went to a supermarket. The price changes are as follows. They have given a table. The price is reduced by 5%. The price of rice is reduced by 5%. Jam and fruits reduced by 8%. Oil and dal are increased by 10%. Help Madhuri to find the changes in the given table. So let me write the table here. This is item, original price and changed price. So original price rice is rupees 30 and jam is rupees 100 and apples rupees 280 and oil rupees 120, dal rupees 80. So what did they give in the problem? They have given is rice price. The price of first rice. What did they say? Rice reduced by 5%. And jam and fruits. Jam and fruits reduced by 8%. Rice is reduced by 5%, jam and fruits reduced by 8%, oil and dal increased by 10%. Oil and dal increased by 10%. So this you should note down so that you can write the changed prices. So the calculation part, I'll be writing it here, children. So what are the calculation part I will write, and then I will write the solutions here. So let me talk about the first one, rice. Rice original cost is 30 rupees. Okay, so let me write rice. What is the price? Reduced price 5%. So reduced percentage is 5%. So first we should know what is 5% of 30 rupees. That means 5 by 100 into 30. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 twos are. This is 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are. 1.5. 1.5 means rupees, paisa 50 paisa. So this is original price. Original price is 30 rupees. I'll write it here as original price. This is rice. I am talking about rice. Original price is rupees 30. So what are you getting here? Original. So what reduced price? So what is the changed price? Changed price reduced. That means 30 minus 1.50. From 30, if you subtract 1.50, that means 0.00 you have to keep. 0 here, 5 here, 9 minus 1, 8 and 2 rupees 28 rupees 50 paisa. So what is the changed amount? This is rupees 28.50. This is the answer for that. This is about rice. Next, I need to find out next one, jam. For jam, what is original price? Original price is, how much is jam price? Rupees 100. So what is the reduced? Jam and fruits reduced by 8%. So reduced percentage is 8%. So first, how much amount is reduced? 8% of 100. That is 8 by 100 into 100. 8% of 100 means these two will get cancelled, that is 8. So change the price. What is changed price? The changed price is 100 minus 8. Reduce, no? You have to change. How much it is? 92 rupees. So its value is how much? 92 rupees. So the changed price is rupees 92. So just to copy this, children, then I will go to the other part. I have no place. Now I need to do apples, oil and dal. So now let me see about apples. 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 What is original price? Original price of apples is rupees 280. For fruits, what they did? Reduced by 8%. So reduced percent is 8%. Therefore, what we will be finding out first? What is 8% of 280? 8 by 100 into 280. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 2 4s are 2 5s are. So you will be getting its value as 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 11. 1 1 2 by 5, that is 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 22 rupees 40 paisa. So what is reduced amount? Reduced price is nothing but 280 minus 2240. So how much? 280 minus 22.40. So 0 here, 6 here, 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 minus 2 is 5, 2. 257 rupees. 257 rupees 60 paisa is the reduced amount. So here rupees how much? 257.60 is apples. After apples, oil. So let me talk about oil. Original price. Original price of oil is rupees 120. Reduced for oil also, oil and dal increased percent. Sorry, increased percentage. Increased percent. How much increased? 10%. So how much is increased? You should know that is 10% of 120. That is 10 by 100 into 120. So zeros will get cancelled, rupees 12. So what is the increased price? It is increased price. See, reduced price means you have subtracted. Increased price means you have to add. That is 132 rupees. So this value is rupees 132. Please copy it. Then I will go for oil. Dal. Oil I have completed. Now dal. Dal. What is original price of dal? Original price of dal is rupees 80. For oil and dal, it is increased by 10%. So, increased percent is 10%. So, what is 10% of 80? You have to see 10 by 100 into 80. So, 10 here, 10 here, that is 8 rupees. Increased. So, what is increased price? Increased price is 80 plus 8. Increased no 8. 88 rupees. This is nothing but rupees 88. So you need to write it here. This answer is rupees 88. So these are the answers for this problem, children. I hope I am clear. Please note it down. Now 12th one. There are 2075 members enrolled. There were there were 2075 members. The problem goes like this. Let me read. There were 2075 members enrolled in a club during last year. This year, the enrollment is decreased by 4%. So, two bits are given here. First one, A, find the decrease in enrollment. How many members are enrolled during this year? So, let us write. So, number enrolled. Number enrolled in the earlier year. Last year means we have to write earlier year is 2075. Now, decreased by 70. So, percentage decreased is 4%. So, first A bit is how much? What is the question? Find decrease in enrollment. A is decrease in enrollment. Decrease in enrollment is equal to 4% of 2075. That means 4 by 100 into 2075. So 5 2s are 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40 and 5 3s are. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So what you will be getting here? You will be getting 83. You will be getting how many number are there? 83 got reduced. So what is the next question, children? Let me forgotten. Let me see. Next bit. B bit. How many members are enrolled? B bit. Number enrolled. Number enrolled base 2075. In that you have to reduce 83. 2075 minus 83. So this 2 here, 9 here, 9 here, 1. 1992 is enrolled. This is 12th question, children. Please copy it. 12th one. Now 13th question. A farmer obtained a farmer obtained a yielding of rupees yielding of 1720 bags. It goes on like this. Let me read. A farmer obtained a yielding of 1720 bags of cotton last year. This year, she expects her crop to be 20% more. How many bags of cotton does she expect this year? So, what is the yielding? Previous year's yielding. Previous year's yielding is 1720 bags. Expected increased percent. How much is increased? 20%. So first let us find out 20% of 1720. That is 20 by 100 into 1720. 0 will get cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 3. So she is expecting 344 bags more. So what is the yielding expected or expected yielding? Expected yielding is nothing but 1720 plus 344. 1720 344. If you add 4 6 10 2 2064 bags. 2064 bags she is expecting. So therefore the farmer expects 2064 bags. This is considered as the answer, children. Please copy it. Now, 14th one. Points P and Q are both in a line segment AB. In a line segment AB and on the same side of its midpoint and on the same side of its midpoint. P divides AB. P divides AB in 2:3 ratio and Q divides AB. Q divides AB in 3:4 ratio. If PQ is equal to 2, then find AB. What is AB length? You have to find out. So I have written the total problem because in between for explanation I need these sentences given. P and Q are both in a line segment AB. So let me draw a line segment AB. So this is a line segment A and B. And what they are saying, P and Q both are on line segment AB and on the same side of the midpoint. Let me take this as M as the midpoint. So on the same side means right side or left side anyway, but we will take a right side. So P is here, Q is here. P and Q are on the same side of the midpoint. P divides AB in 2:3 ratio. That means AP is to AB is 2 and 3 ratio. And Q divides AB 3:4 ratio. So AQ is to QB is 3:4 ratio. And also they have given PQ as a 2. Now the question is AB is equal to how much? This is the question. So let us see children. AP is to PB is equal to 2:3 they have given. What do you mean by this? Let AP is equal AP is equal to 2x, PB is equal to 3x. When you know AP and PB, AB will be equal to AP plus PB, that is 2x plus 3x, that is equal to 5x. What? According to this ratio which is given to us. And AQ is to QB. AQ is to QB is 3:4 ratio. That means let AQ is equal to 3x, QB is equal to 4x. According to this, what is AB? AQ plus QB, that is 3x plus 4x, that is 7x. Now, they have also given to us PB. PQ they have given. PQ is equal to 2. How will you get PQ? AQ minus AP. AQ minus AP is equal to 2, yes or no? From A to Q minus AP if you do, you are getting PQ. 2. AQ is how much? AQ is 3x. We have considered AQ as 3x minus AP. AP is 2x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. When you have got x is equal to 2, we will be getting AB is equal to 5x implies AB is equal to 5 into 2, that is equal to 10 centimeters. Similarly, also AB is equal to 7x. What does this implies? AB is equal to 7 into 2, that is equal to 14 centimeters. Is it possible for it, children? One line segment having two values. So, it is not possible. So, to get correct AB, we need LCM of 10 and 14. What is the least common multiple? If you find out, you will be getting the correct measure of AB. So, what is LCM 10 and 14 if you take? How much you will be getting? 2 5s are 2 7s are. So, this is equal to 2 into 5 into 7, that is 70. Therefore, AB is equal to 70 centimeters is the answer. Because when you have seen in one way, AB value 10 centimeters you are getting. In another way, AB value 14 centimeters you are getting. Same line segment cannot have two different lengths. So what you should do? You have to go for correct value of AB, means you have to go for LCM of 10 and 14. So LCM of 10 and 14 is 70 centimeters. This is the answer, children. Please copy it. This is 14th sum. So with this, I have completed this exercise. Remaining part, I'll do it in the next class.